Hello, welcome to Carnegie Mellon University's MS in Computational Finance program. Congratulations for being admitted. My name is John Ostland, and I will be your professor for 4 programming courses during your first year, starting out with the Python Programming Basics course in the last couple of days of June through the end of July. Then I'll also be teaching the Programming Prep course during August and Financial Computing 1 during Mini 1, the first half semester this fall. I'll also be teaching Financial Computing 2 in the first Mini of the spring. Technically that's Mini 3. The first half of the next spring's semester. Now, the first 3 of these courses in this sequence that I'm teaching are all Python courses. Python is the language to know if you're doing quantitative finance nowadays. And you'll be using Python in many of your other MSCF courses. Such as your data science and machine learning and simulation courses and several others. Now, at least as important as that, and perhaps of more immediate concern to you, another reason for knowing Python really well is that when you're interviewing for internships, most of your prospective employers use a Python programming exam as their first level filter in the interviewing process. And so if you are not able to pass this Python exam, then you may not have an opportunity to try to impress interviews with your finance or market or mathematical or statistical skills. You have to be able to get through that first round programming exam. And so that's why we're doing this Programming Basics course so early, and also why we have the prep course coming up in August, to make sure that you're very well prepared to hit the ground running in your main first year courses starting in Mini 1 in the fall semester, as well as to give you a very good chance to do well on your internship programming exams. Okay, so we're not trying to be cruel here. We're really trying to be helpful, and and get you up to speed. Now, as far as this Python Programming Basics course, for some students this is a required course. For other students this is not a required course. It is strongly encouraged for everybody, and in particular I am going to warn you that in August, when the Programming Prep course begins, I will assume that you do know everything in this Python Programming Basics course, whether you have formally taken the course or not formally taken the course. You can, of course, simply review the lecture videos if you believe that's all you need to do to brush up on everything I'm going to assume that you know. But I encourage you to take the course seriously. Do the best you can in the course. I realize it's July. You probably have other commitments going on, but September is coming and interviews are coming, and you have to be ready. Okay, so with that, let me just again congratulate you to being admitted to the program, and I wish you well in all of my Python courses and all the various other courses you're going to be taking. In the spring, we'll also be teaching C++. My Financial Computing 2 course is an introduction to the C++ language, and Professor Kramkov's Financial Computing 3 course is a numerical methods course using C++. So you will also be exposed very solidly to the C++ language as well. You can always reach out to me by email if you have any questions about anything at any time. I make myself available 7 days a week, from about 10 in the morning until 9 o'clock at night, sometimes later, sometimes earlier. Please send me emails on the weekend. You won't be bothering me if you send me a question on the weekend. I really look forward to meeting and communicating with all of you, and I am here to help. Okay, so now I'm starting to babble. So, welcome, and good luck.